So let me show you how to set up the fingerprint on your Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now, before you can set up a fingerprint, you do need to have set up a pattern, pin, or password as one layer of security just above the fingerprint. So go to settings, just go back to the main settings page. So from the main settings page, scroll down to lock screen and always on display, tap on that, and then tap on screen lock and biometrics, tap on that. It's going to ask for your current password, pin, or pattern. If you don't have one, then you're going to go straight to this page. But when you try to set up fingerprint, it's going to ask you to set one of these three up first. So as you can see, I've already set up pattern. So I can just go to fingerprints, tap on continue, and then the fingerprint sensor is the power button of the phone. Okay, so this is your fingerprint scanner. We would have loved to see an under display fingerprint scanner here, but it's right here. Okay, and it's more convenient when it's here because you can use it for both the cover screen and when it's open. Anyway, let's register our finger. So tap on register, and then what you need to do now is just put your finger there and then just move it around. Okay, so just move the tip of your finger around different angles, and the more you move, the more it's capturing information. And as you can see, the target basically here is 100%. Okay, so once you finish with that, if you want to, you can add another finger, or you can just tap on add and rescan the same finger again just for accuracy purposes. Okay, but for me, I'm happy with that, so I'll just tap on done. And then now let's test our fingerprint. There you go. So it works great and it's quite fast as well. So if you tap on done, you can see our fingerprint one is a fingerprint we just set up. So if you want to, you can add another fingerprint, but that's actually enough for now. So with the phone locked, and if you want to unlock, instead of putting in the passcode, you can just put in the fingerprint. Same goes for the cover screen. When you want to look at something from the cover screen, instead of the passcode, just use the fingerprint and it's gonna unlock your phone. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.